Hey guys, today we'll go over how you can utilize deduplication rules to club all of your similar incidents together. So suppose multiple nodes go down, right? You would see a lot of incidents come in for the same issue. Now ideally what you'd want is basically to club them together so that your engineers are not bombarded with incident notifications. This is where deduplication rules can help you. To create a deduplication rule, navigate to a specific service under automation rule, click on deduplication rule. In here, you can click on add deduplication rule. Now to create your conditions, first select an alert source. Once you do, you would see the payload of the latest incident triggered for that specific alert source. Now you can create your conditions in two ways. Either use the dropdown, which will be populated with all the variables mentioned on the payload, or you can even write your own regular expression if that is something that you're comfortable with. Alright, now let's take an example for that matter. Click on add deduplication rule. This time I'll select Sabix. So I want to club all of my similar incidents coming from the same cluster. Under select label, I'll simply search for cluster as a variable. Once I do, I can create my expression. I can even define the time period for which I want my duplicate events to be clubbed together. I can even enable this checkbox. What this checkbox will do is basically club all of my duplicate events coming from even my dependent services as well. Once the expression is created, click on save rule and your deduplication rule is created. So what this will do is basically club all of my similar incidents coming from the same cluster. So this is how you can utilize deduplication rules for your own use case. Cheers.